Amazon is hiring at HQ2 in Arlington. These high-paying jobs offer over $100,000. Don't miss your chance to work at this amazing campus.
Working at Amazon can completely change your career, but here's the truth that many people don't realize. Amazon is not just a warehouse company. It is one of the world's largest technology employers, operating hundreds of fulfillment centers, delivery stations, corporate offices, data centers, and Amazon Web Services facilities across the United States. Whether you're a student looking for a flexible part-time job, someone searching for stable full-time employment, or a professional aiming for a six-figure corporate career, Amazon offers opportunities for almost every skill level. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to get hired at Amazon in America, where the best locations are, what salaries you can expect, the difference between part-time and full-time jobs, the hiring process, and the mistakes you should avoid if you want to increase your chances of getting hired. Let's begin with one of the biggest questions people ask. Does Amazon really hire people without years of experience? The answer is yes. Many entry-level warehouse and delivery positions require little or no previous experience. Amazon provides paid training for these jobs, so new employees can learn everything they need before starting work. On the other hand, technical and corporate positions usually require education, specialized skills, or professional experience depending on the role. Now let's talk about part-time jobs because thousands of Americans choose Amazon specifically for its flexible schedules. Part-time positions are popular among college students, parents, retirees, and people who already have another job. Most part-time employees work around 20 to 30 hours per week. Amazon often offers day shifts, night shifts, weekend shifts, and seasonal schedules. This flexibility allows workers to earn additional income without committing to a traditional 40-hour workweek. If you're looking for a stable long-term career, full-time jobs may be a better option. Full-time employees generally work around 40 hours each week and may qualify for benefits such as medical insurance, dental coverage, vision insurance, paid vacation, paid holidays, retirement savings plans, employee discounts, career training programs, and educational assistance depending on the position and eligibility requirements. One of the biggest advantages of working at Amazon is that there are many different career paths. Most people think Amazon only hires warehouse workers, but that's far from the truth. Amazon employs software engineers, cybersecurity specialists, artificial intelligence researchers, cloud computing experts, accountants, financial analysts, project managers, marketing professionals, customer service representatives, human resources specialists, operations managers, supply chain experts, maintenance technicians, robotics engineers, data analysts, legal professionals, and many other roles. Let's talk about warehouse jobs first because they are among the easiest positions to apply for. Warehouse associates receive products, scan packages, pick customer orders, pack items, organize inventory, and prepare shipments for delivery. These positions require standing, walking, lifting packages, and working in a fast-paced environment. Safety training is provided before employees begin working. Another growing area is Amazon delivery stations. Employees sort packages, organize delivery routes, and prepare shipments for drivers. Delivery stations usually operate early in the morning, during the day, and overnight, giving workers multiple scheduling options. Amazon also hires delivery drivers through its delivery service partners. Drivers deliver packages directly to customers using Amazon delivery vehicles. A valid driver's license, a clean driving record, and the ability to safely operate a delivery van are usually required. If working in a warehouse isn't your goal, customer service positions may be another option. Customer service associates help customers solve order problems, answer questions, process returns, and provide technical support. Some customer service roles are available remotely, allowing employees to work from home depending on business needs and location. Now let's discuss Amazon's corporate offices. The company has major offices across the United States, but one of the most important locations is Amazon HQ2 in Arlington, Virginia. This headquarters is home to thousands of employees working in technology, finance, engineering, business operations, cloud computing, product management, public policy, artificial intelligence, and corporate leadership. Jobs at HQ2 are generally more competitive because they often offer higher salaries, professional development opportunities, and long-term career growth. Another major location is Seattle, Washington, where Amazon was founded. Seattle continues to be one of the company's largest employment centers with thousands of corporate, engineering, and technology positions. Texas has also become one of Amazon's fastest-growing employment markets. Cities like Austin and Dallas continue adding fulfillment centers, delivery stations, and corporate operations. Arizona, Tennessee, Georgia, Florida, Illinois, California, and New York also have significant Amazon operations with regular hiring throughout the year. One question many applicants ask is how much Amazon pays. The answer depends on your position, experience, education, and location. Hourly warehouse employees earn competitive wages that vary by city and state. Shift differentials may increase earnings for overnight or weekend schedules. Customer service, technical support, and operations positions usually pay more than entry-level warehouse jobs. Corporate employees often receive annual salaries, performance bonuses, and stock awards depending on their role. Experienced software engineers, senior managers, cloud architects, and artificial intelligence professionals may earn well over $100,000 annually, especially in high-demand technology departments. So how do you actually apply? The process starts by creating an account on Amazon Jobs. Once your account is ready, search for available positions by entering your preferred city, state, zip code, or job title. Carefully read each job description because every position has different qualifications, schedules, physical requirements, and responsibilities. Next, upload a professional resume. Even for entry-level positions, a clean, well-organized resume helps create a strong first impression. Make sure your contact information is correct and include your education, work history, certifications, technical skills, and achievements. After submitting your application, some positions require online assessments. These assessments measure problem-solving abilities, workplace judgment, attention to detail, and customer-focused decision-making. Take your time and answer honestly. Many hourly warehouse positions may not require a traditional interview. However, professional and corporate roles usually include one or more interviews. During these interviews, Amazon often evaluates candidates using its leadership principles. Interviewers want examples that demonstrate ownership, customer obsession, problem-solving, innovation, teamwork, and the ability to deliver results. If you successfully complete the interview process, Amazon may conduct a background check and verify employment eligibility. Once everything is approved, you'll receive an official job offer with information about your schedule, location, salary, benefits, and start date. Many people wonder whether they can move from a warehouse job into a corporate position. The answer is yes. Amazon encourages internal career growth. Employees can develop new skills, complete training programs, apply for promotions, and move into higher-level positions over time. Some employees begin as warehouse associates and eventually become supervisors, operations managers, project managers, or corporate professionals after gaining experience and additional education. If you're a college student, Amazon also offers internship opportunities in engineering, finance, marketing, operations, software development, business management, and many other fields. Internships provide valuable experience and can sometimes lead to full-time employment after graduation. Now let's discuss the most common mistakes applicants make. The first mistake is submitting the same generic resume for every job. Customize your resume for each position by highlighting relevant skills and experience. The second mistake is applying for only one location. If you're willing to relocate, apply to multiple cities to increase your chances. The third mistake is ignoring the job description. Read every requirement carefully before submitting your application. The fourth mistake is arriving unprepared for interviews. Practice answering behavioral questions using real examples from your previous work, school, or volunteer experiences. Another important tip is to keep checking Amazon's job website regularly because new positions are posted frequently. Some openings receive thousands of applications, so applying early can improve your chances of being considered. If you're interested in technology careers, learning skills such as cloud computing, programming, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, machine learning, database management, or data analytics can significantly improve your opportunities within Amazon. Certifications in AWS Cloud, CompTIA, Cisco, Microsoft, or Google Cloud may also strengthen your resume. Finally, remember that getting hired at Amazon isn't just about finding a job. It's about finding a career path that matches your goals. Whether you want flexible part-time work while attending college, a stable full-time position with benefits, or a high-paying corporate role earning over $100,000 a year, Amazon offers opportunities across nearly every industry. The key is choosing the right position, preparing a strong application, practicing for interviews, continuously improving your skills, and applying consistently. Thousands of people begin their Amazon journey every year, and with the right preparation, you could be one of them. Start searching for the position that fits your goals, submit your application with confidence, and take the first step toward building your future with one of the largest employers in the United States.